right, y'all, so I got all my stuff now. Look at this. Got everything. They about to fly me back now to, I got a layover in Tennessee, Nashville, and then I gotta go on to Pennsylvania. There's my ride picking me up right now. Let's get it.
You're washing trucks in the rain.
Yeah. All right, y'all, so we heading back. I'm heading back right now. I got my flight and everything. And now I'm on the flight Southwest, heading back to Philadelphia on to my new journey with Stevens Transport Local.
Get the speaker box loud, hitting that stuff till you hearing that sound. Hitting that stuff till you hearing that sound.
I'm in Tennessee right now. I'm in Nashville, and I'm just waiting for my connecting flight so I could head up to Pennsylvania, to Philly, and then I'll be getting picked up from there. I will say Southwest is way better than Spirit and Frontier. Yeah, it's better than Frontier and it's better than Spirit. I guarantee you that. Yeah, Southwest is. I think I'm gonna start flying for Southwest. Yeah. So we're looking for C-17. Finally made it to Philly. It took fucking long ass time to unload the plane. It's crazy it don't take long to load that bitch, but it's slow as shit unloading. I talked to my new DM, and she told me that they'll be ready for me to start on Sunday. So that means that I'll get 4 days off to chill. Southwest wasn't that bad. I had to sit all the way in the back because there was no seats left. So y'all know how my ride was. Now I gotta find out where bro at, cause I doubt that he's here. So yeah, like I said, man, I'm back here, back up the way. I don't think no OTR will be in my future, you know, coming up. in the near future. I'll be seeing what's going on with local and just enjoying the fact that I can go home every night and I still can make the same kind of money that I was supposed to be making while I was out on the road. But you know, it doesn't make sense to be out on the road and you know, have to be subjected to all the breakdowns and everything that will hinder your money every week when I can just do this. And that way, even if something does happen or it does break down, the truck does, even if something happens, like the truck does break down or anything goes wrong with the truck, at least I'm home and I can just go the fuck home. And that'll be that. I won't be in fucking Utah in the fucking mountains. Or I won't be, you know, in the desert of Arizona. I'll be right within a decent radius of the house. All right, y'all, so I'm back in Delaware. Mission accomplished. Y'all can see I'm back in Delaware, back in the great city of Wilmington to start this new journey. They tell me that the drivers are making about $1,900 a week. So we'll see if that comes out to be true or false. But either way, you know, either way, I'll definitely keep y'all updated with the process. So walking up to my brother's crib, so to enjoy this day off, first day off out of the truck. Well, first day back home. So make sure y'all hit the notification bell and y'all get all the latest content that's coming out. Like I said before, I guess it'd be a good place to end the video. I appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me on my whole journey through OTR, and hopefully y'all rock with me on my journey through local. So that's what's up. I appreciate y'all, and let's run it up. Let's see what they got on the other side for Stevens Transport Local. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. I'm out.